Alright guys, hey, so we're going to do makeup today. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with my foundation. And we're just going to actually have music play while I put my makeup on. Oh, that's way too much. So guys, this is the shade Toffee in the Matte Fit Me line of foundations. This is a liquid foundation and mattifying foundation. Don't forget to shake it. I forgot to shake it. That's pretty important. Put it in the middle of your face and then start stroking outwards. Is what they say to do. Here I'm just blending everything out. It's a pretty thin layer actually, so I'm just blending it into the skin. It's actually a lot easier to do with a beauty blender, but if you keep working on it, you can also do it with a brush, and this is a really good brush. So, and it's made for foundation, so I'm just blending that in so that it looks very blended. So here I'm applying the highlight to my face. I use the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Concealer and the Tarte Cosmetics Concealer together. I let that sit for 3 minutes. Now I'm just going in with my eyeshadow, which is actually my bronzer, but I'm using it as an eyeshadow. Now I'm just touching everything up with some bronzer, which will slim out my face and bring more color to it, you know, give it more of a tan look. Here I'm just adding the adhesive onto my eyelashes and adding my eyelashes on. Okay, so now I'm putting highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes and a little bit under my eyebrows and just giving it that just woke up, had lots of sleep, bright, open, clear-eyed look. Now I'm also starting to do my eyebrows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. Here I'm applying my eyelashes. You guys already know what the deal is. I wear eyelashes. I've let my adhesive glue dry a little bit so it can get a little gooey so that it'll stick, and then you just put them on. And I've been wearing lashes more because lately they don't irritate my eyes or bother me at all, so I'm more down to wear them, and it's become easier for me to wear them. Excuse my nails again, guys. This video is before I got them done. They're done now, but yeah, I love a good set of lashes like this pair. Alright guys, so that's it for my makeup look, and thanks for watching the process with me. Like, subscribe, and comment below.